These $8.99 solar tiki torches at Aldi are going to sell out this week. I love them so much. I grabbed a box, but that's not the only thing worth looking at. There's a huge range of outdoor lighting that's just dropped in store, some great DIY bits, and one candle that is honestly one of the best I've ever smelt. So I'm going to take you around and show you what's actually worth buying and what I'd leave behind. Straight away, I went to check out the plants. There wasn't loads in my store, which isn't surprising really with this weather. They've clearly been very popular, but I did spot these $3.99 fuchsias. You get 6 plants, which I thought was good value. So I bought a box of the Bella Lisa fuchsias, and I'm going to get those planted up this weekend. For the price, I thought that was definitely worth buying. First, in the outdoor lighting, they had these solar LED plant columns, and these weren't on the website or in the magazine, but they were $17.99. They're a really nice idea. You've got a removable plant bowl at the top, solar lighting built into the base, and a twilight sensor, so they come on in the evening. You also get a ground spike, so they're easy to secure to the ground, and I thought they were quite a nice feature piece for the garden. Next were these solar swaying stick lights. I've actually got something similar in my garden already, and they've lasted really well. These were £2.49, which I thought was really good value, and they come in a few different designs: butterflies, there were flowers, and warm white or cool white balls. I went for the warm white and bought 2 to go at the bottom of my steps just to light up the area, and for £2.49 I thought they were really good quality for the price. They also had these Marrakesh style solar lanterns at $11.99. They're really good in size with the intricate metal design. You can get them in either a brass or a copper finish. They're solar powered, they come with a rechargeable battery. They do have an on and off switch as well. And you've got both warm white and coloured light options. And I think these will look really nice outside in the evening. This 3-piece balcony set is $99.99, and it's actually on the front cover this week. You get the glass top table, 2 armchairs and cushions included. I like the fact it's got the glass top, which will help protect the table and make it last longer. The chairs have those backs where your body will kind of curve into the seat, so I imagine they're quite comfortable, although there wasn't any on display to try. They had a collection of star solar lanterns. These were $8.99. They're solar powered, and you've got a choice between the Firefly Flame style or standard LED. There were different designs as well, including a bronze pattern one, a more frosted bronze finish, and a clear one. And for $8.99, I thought they were really nice and easy outdoor lighting option. They also had these solar crook lanterns. They come as a 2-pack for $12.99. You get both lanterns and the crooks included, which quite frankly in the garden centre you'd pay that just for the crooks. So they're super easy to place around the garden. But the item I actually went in for today were these 5-pack of Marrakesh solar flame torches. They were $8.99. They come in 2 colours, a bronze and a black. And you have that flickering flame effect with around 8 hours of runtime in the evening. So I thought these would be perfect for my back garden. I bought boxes of the bronze ones to dot around some planters on the edge of my decking just to light it up a bit. And for $8.99 for 5, I thought that was really good value. They also had some new candles in store this week, which was lovely to see. They were $2.99 and they had a raspberry and vanilla plus this Parisian pistachio one. Now, this one had a beautiful scent. If you like pistachio, it genuinely smelled good enough to eat. They also had a matching diffuser as well, although the scents were a bit too sweet for me to have as a diffuser. But for $2.99, I thought they were great value and they'd make lovely little gifts. Everything was a little bit randomly laid out in my store this week, but they did have a few good DIY bits. They had a 3-in-1 hacksaw, a saw set with multiple blades, and a mitre box set for $4.99. I actually bought this straight away. If you're thinking about doing panelling, this is a really handy item as it's got all the angles marked, including 45 degrees. My wooden one I've had for years is completely ruined, so for $4.99 I thought this was brilliant value. They had a range of cordless power tools in this week, so if you're on the lookout, this could be a great option. There was a 20-volt combi drill, an angle grinder. They even had a 3-in-1 sander and a jigsaw, plus all the accessories to go with them. The accessories are really well priced as well, $3.99 for things like blades and extra sanding pads. The only thing to be aware of though, you do need to buy the battery separately. The 20-volt battery was $14.99, but once you've got it, it works across the whole range, so you only need to buy one. It even fits things like the cordless lawnmower, which was $79.99, so it's quite a flexible system. And they also had a few extras like a joint cleaner and a compact multi-saw, which I had never seen a joint cleaner before and have no idea what it does. They had some candles I hadn't seen before. These were part of the hotel collection. One of them was croissant scented, and I have to say it smelled really good, like genuinely good enough to eat. They also had a pain au chocolat one, which I wasn't that keen on. It smelled a bit like cheap chocolate. And another one called Cœur Royal. I don't know if I said that right. No idea what it's meant to be, but I didn't really like it. But the croissant one, absolutely delicious, and I picked that one up for $2.99. And a quick update on the scent boosters. I've been using them for about a week now and absolutely love them. I've been trying the sea salt and driftwood. My clothes smell amazing, and I'll definitely not be going back to the branded ones. And it's good to see the method dupes are back in stock. I bought one recently, and again, I will not go back to the original. I love this one. This week it's Mexican Fiesta theme, which we love in our house, so it was really nice to see a good range in store. They had all the basics like guacamole, salsa, nacho cheese and sour cream for £1.29, which I thought was really good value. They also had a Mexican trio of dips for £2.49, which looked really good. I did buy one of those. There was quesadilla kits for $1.79, and both double-decker and mild taco kits for £1.59, which are definitely cheaper than the branded ones you normally see. They also had their version of Pringles in flavours chili lime and paprika, and they were £1.49. And then the crisps. They had buffalo chicken burrito and smoked chipotle mayo, which were £1.15. I tried the smoked chipotle mayo ones and they are absolutely delicious. Honestly, they're not going to last long in my house. I've even been using the tortilla clips I bought last week to keep them sealed. So if you like Mexican food, you're definitely going to want to check this out. It's a really good range this week. So that's everything new in Aldi this week. Let me know in the comments what you think and whether you think the bits that I bought were actually worth the money. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to check out my other videos. I've got loads on here and plenty more coming. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. But I'll thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next video. Quick one before I go. My small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.